What's up guys, this is Sonny back with another video, and today we have a product from Desertwest, wrong side. Desertwest C2 wireless charger. So I recently purchased this product from Amazon. So basically what happened is I bought an iPhone X Max, as you guys can see here. If you guys want to see like a review of the iPhone X Max, let me know, give this video a thumbs up, also subscribe, and I will know I should review this one. So and then I was planning on purchasing a wireless charger. So my budget was somewhere like maybe $50. I know I can pick up a wireless charger for like maybe $20, but I wanted something good so I can charge with basically the cover on. You guys can see I have an autofocus cover. You can pick up this cover from eBay for like $6-7 bucks. All right, so let's get back to the product, right? So then I saw this product, the Desertwest C2. Really liked it, how the product looked at. It didn't look cheap, and also when I received it, the build quality was so good. All metal builds, not the plastic filling, and also does come with a USB connection, USB-C connection. So this thing does charge phone fast. It's QI certified, so you can charge any phone that support QI. So you can charge, like I tested with Galaxy S8, Galaxy S9, my iPhone X, and also I tested with iPhone XS Max that I recently purchased. So real quick, let's just look at this product. I'll do a quick unboxing for you guys so you guys can see. And also I paid around $29 for this product. So you guys can see right here, okay, I have a USB-C cable right there, and then we have the wireless charger right here. So let's just unpack. So the one thing really pulled me, guys, is the build quality. Okay, this thing is really solid. Okay, like I said, it's a full metal build. It's not like plastic or anything. And also if you guys want to know the exact model, let's say CDR-Z3. Also this one does support input 5 volt and 2 amp. This wireless charger doesn't come with power adapter, so what you have to do, either you have to purchase a power adapter. You don't really need to purchase a power adapter. You can connect this to your computer and you can charge. But if you can purchase one of these 2 amp adapter, then what you can do, basically you can use the full potential of this first charging, because even you connect this to a computer, yes, your phone will charge, but you will charge a little slower. But if you can connect this power adapter to your power outlet with a 2 amp, a 5 volt 2 amp, because that's what this wireless charger does support. So that's why I would recommend getting one, maybe a 5 volt 2 amp power adapter, and just connect to your outlet. So real quick, let me show you guys how this thing works. So you guys can see this wireless charger does support USB-C. You guys can see right there, USB-C connection, and we do have a USB-C to regular USB connector that goes to either your computer or to your power adapter right here. So the power adapter I'm using, the one I have laying around, it's a generic 2 amp power adapter, and you can pick up one of these from, if you want, from eBay for like $2 or $3 bucks. That's a 5 volt 2 amp, and definitely this one is for fast charging. You guys can see here. So now let's just connect this wireless charger, and let me show you guys. So let's connect the USB-C cable. All right, and this part I'll just connect to the power adapter. But like I said, you don't need this. You can connect this wireless charger to your computer. But if you want the fast charging, then I would recommend using one of these 2 amp power adapter, and just connect that to your power outlet. All right, so we are all set, and I have my iPhone X Max here, you guys can see. Okay, and I have a case on. So you guys can see this wireless charger does work with even with the case on. The case I have here, you guys can see, say autofocus case I picked up from eBay for I think $6 or $7. And you guys can see the back is like see-through. It's not a perfect case. It does work even with the case. Also, this wireless charger support up to 15 watt. So this thing is really powerful. So you guys can see again with the case on, it does charge. Okay, and let me show you guys. Let me take the case off also. So now I have the case off and it's charging. Alright guys, so you guys can see this charger does work flawlessly. So I don't have to take off my case for charging with this wireless charger. I can just have my case on and I can charge, because this thing is really powerful and it does support QI. So it does charge my phone faster. I've been using this product for almost like 5 days already and I'm really satisfied. If you guys want, I can leave a link in the video description for you guys, Amazon link, you guys can check out and let me know what you guys think. And other than that guys, that's all I have for today. And if you guys want to see like a detailed review for iPhone XS Max I recently purchased, let me know. If you want to see like a review for this case, autofocus case, let me know. I'll be more than happy to show you guys. And that should be it guys. See you guys next one. Peace.